Black rhino are well known for their short tempers, as are young lions for their curiosity. The inexperienced Rhino youngsters lock targets onto the vulnerable calf, an easy meal if orphaned, but certainly not if the mother and a bull are near. Black rhino have terrible eyesight, which makes it easy for predators to sneak up close, but only if they are silent and downwind. Feeling threatened, the bull honed in on the cats and charged forward. We could not believe what happened next. A herd of elephants, also with young, arrived. Elephant mothers are ferociously defensive of their calves and detest lions. But surprisingly, they also have a poor relationship with rhino and deferred their aggression from the lions. The bravery of the rhino in the face of the threat of the larger and more numerous elephants was amazing to watch. It was an epic display of power between two of Africa's iconic giants. Thankfully, this incredible interaction didn't come down to blows. And a timely reminder to the inexperienced lions of who the real authority is.